This semester, we created a calendaring project that was split up into 3 different parts. For the first part, we had to create a .ics file. So we did that using 2 classes. Calendar, which is our main class. It holds variables for each of the required fields of a .ics file, and it uses methods to set and get the different variables. It also has a method that creates a .ics file, and by appending these variables and their prefixes to a file. So this program is used by Calendar Driver, which prompts the user for different inputs for all the fields. So we will call this test. There's a file called test. Yes, we want to override it. So the classification shall be public. Location will be Hamilton Library. We'll give it a priority of 3, and a brief summary is it's a screencast. Start date will be today, the 23rd of April. Start time, our times are listed from 0 to 23:59, not 0 to 12. So we'll say it starts at 2 and ends at 4. Oh, this is the date. Ends at 4. It's going to ask you to select a different time zone. So we're going to say Hawaii. So -10 just accepts the numbers. So bam, this file's been created. Here it is. Let's click on it. Yeah, it's here in the calendar. We have a duplicate because we overrided it.
Here we have the free time finder class that pretty much calculates free times based on a set of events that the user inputs. Here we have the driver that pretty much asks the user to input those events and then calculate those free times. So to show you that it's working, so here it prompts us to enter a list of .ics files to read from. So here I'll enter class2.ics, class3.ics, class4.ics, and then so now it's telling me that those free times have been created. So we'll go to here, and as you can see, the free times have been created. And if you saw before, they existed, but we made it so that it would just overwrite those files. So for now, I'll just show my class file or my event files that I entered. So so now I'll show the free times that our program generated. So that's the first free time, and that's the second free time, and the third free time. So yeah, so that's all the free times that it can find.
All right, so our next program finds the free times between 2 different people. So how this program works is we give the program a list of inputs for the first person's busy events that day. Then for the next person, we also give the program a list of that person's inputs. Then the program functions just like the free time finder driver, and it'll calculate the free times shared between those 2 people. So let's try that out right now. So we'll input the same calendar events from the previous example. And it should create free times identical to our previous example. All right, so our first free time is matching. So does our next one. And our final free time is matching as well.